Today we got some shit to install, guys. I'm excited. The TST turn signals. So I went with the flush to get rid of these ugly boats. And unfortunately, we're gonna have to take this off again. We're gonna start. If you guys didn't check out my video on how to replace, you know, the Chimera and all that, go ahead and check it out. Pretty much you have number 5 Allens right here and 2 on the other side. And then that's how this whole assembly pops off. After that, we're gonna have to get to this. So I went ahead and got the flush lights by TST. They're the flush ones with the 3 to 1 connector, or 2 to 3 connector. So it connects to your stock harness and then it goes down to 3 so you can run your daytime running lights and all the BS. So let's get that done. I got a little TST sticker finally. I didn't get one with a tail light, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and took off the 4 bolts, and then you could just pop this off like this. That's it. So guys, like I said, get this boot out and then pull this up a little bit. The right signal, which is this wire right here, obviously, it's blue. Alright guys, so you're just gonna literally pull up right here, bang. I don't have nails, so the flathead was easier. I'll show you guys. That's it. So, like I said, right turn signal is blue, your left is orangey. Then I believe you have a 10 mil. Yeah, you do. There's a 10 mil right here. I'll put a little picture on it. And it's on both sides, obviously, to hold the turn signal in. Let's go ahead and pop this off. You guys can't see, but it's right here. Oh, well, I'm tightening it right now. Can't be. I'm just gonna loosen them and then go in there with just the pocket and twist it off. I can't get to this one for some reason. I got a shorter 10. Hopefully it'll let me in now. Come on. Okay, there it is. Okay, there it is. So once you pop that off, guys, you can pull this out. Come on. And that goes right here. That's what we took out pretty much. I'm not sure if this is gonna, okay, yeah, it is, there it is. That's it, that's your right, and then go ahead and do the same thing with this one. Come on. Okay, this one still hanging around there. Here it is. Come on. Come on. There it is. Don't try to yank on these too hard because they can get caught, and then you can pull it out the connector. I think that's just a rubber boot. Yeah. There's a little rubber boot. Take that out. Oh. There is a washer back there, so watch it. Took a little bracket. I'm not sure if they're right and left specific. I just think as long as you put them on the right way, you should be good. It doesn't say no right or left. But you do get a washer and nut, and they are plastic. Come on. It's kind of an easy install, guys. I thought it was going to be harder than what it seems like, but it's not really that hard. Well, we got to put this obviously on first. Get that nut in there too. Pause. And then this is going to sit like this, obviously. Make sure everything's in there and then start twisting. Okay. There is a flush backside to this, so make sure that one's going in this way. Then go ahead and do that. Bang, bang. You can see it right there. Alright, so TST boy said to take this off to get to here to tighten it. And then just tighten that bad boy up. Alright, fam, so where we left off, TST, I forgot to get the 3 to 2 with a little, it's called the running mate. This is what's going to keep your daytime running lights to work. If you get the other one, which is 2 to 2 and not 3 to 2, you won't have your daytime running lights, but you'll have your turn signals. But since I already have the 3 to 2, I had to get this, I forgot. So that's the part number on TST Industries. Let's get this going. Yellow to yellow, obviously. Black to black, obviously. So it'll be like that. And then I'm gonna heat shrink it, and I'll show you guys how that. Alright, fam, we just did these right here. I did add electrical tape over this shroud, but I don't think I need to. I might pop it off because it dried solid pretty much, and it's held and they're good. So now this is kind of a mess, guys. So you get your, obviously yellow, black to black, and now you get your other harness, which is right here. This is the running mate that I was missing right here, this little box. And now you have to connect, obviously, color matches. So blue, brown, red. And it's just kind of annoying, guys, because like that's a big harness. So I will have to zip tie some things, clean it up. So I'm using a torch and shrink wrap pretty much. You can get this on at Harbor Freight. It's a 42 piece set, marine heat shrink tubing. And this is the size I'm using. The second row over, which is 3/16. This one right here, screenshot if you guys need it. And I'm just cutting them to size pretty much because they're long. So I'm cutting them about this size, 1.5 inches, possibly, maybe a little over 1 inch. Alright, fam, after you heat shrink all your wires, or you could use the little, they give you like this clear stuff, but I don't want to use it. This stuff, I don't want to use it. So let me see if I could get some turn signal action going here real quick. Cool beans. I don't know why I flutter like that. Okay, probably because my other connectors aren't on, but that's straight for now. Now let's get the other one on. So after you get the whole harness on, then you could connect it. Obviously, remember, blue is right and orange is left. Hi fam, this is how this one came out. It's like literally hard. It's molded, so the flares, don't worry. It's just glue. And then that's the bottom. Took me some time, and now we plug it in. And I should have both lights working. Yep, both lights work. Right, left. I don't know why the right does that. Oh. Left, right. See, I don't know why it does that. I don't know, whatever. I do have the freaking thing that the relay that they say to get. So maybe it's because the bike's not on, but I don't know. I did everything to the book, so we'll see. Because after this, I'm gonna go drop her off to get the cam done. So yeah, I just zipped this to this harness right here, the regular light harness. This one right here, the one that connects to your light, that's what I zipped this to, and now it looks like it won't really go anywhere. So yeah, now let's get this back together. Yes sir, I should have cleaned this when it was out. But that's pretty much it, guys. The right turn signal is giving me a little weird issue, man. Like look at this. Oh, now it's not doing it. That's odd. Oh, see, it's like stuttering and then going. It's weird because I do have the whole TST relay and all that, but she looks real clean, guys. I mean, very empty up front now. It looks funny, but hey, it's cool. That's clean. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.